Hey guys, how are you team? How are you doing? This is Bulelani. So today again we're gonna be analyzing GALA, which is GALA USDT, whatever you can call it. So we start from the daily time frame to see the long-term direction of GALA. Then we come back to lower time frame to see which entries can we take on GALA, right? Which entries can we take on GALA? So I'll just cancel everything here so that we discuss this coin together. What is going on with this coin? It's GALA. I think a lot of people, when I talk about GALA, they know GALA. They've made money. From last year, it has been performing very well. So this coin, it has been really performing. It has been really performing, right? So let me cancel everything here. Okay, just give me time, guys. Just give me time to complete this. Okay, right. So okay guys, we have GALA, right? We have GALA, and you can see again here on GALA that when GALA was launched last year, it just went up with high momentum. Right, I remember one of my students, she made out to 40,000 rands with this coin. This coin was just going up non-stop, right? It was just going up non-stop, right? You hold this coin, then tomorrow it's going up, tomorrow it's going up. It was just going up like crazy, right? Going up like crazy. So looking at this coin right now, right, it started going down, going down. Meaning what? It started getting cheaper, because when the price goes up, right, it becomes expensive, right? When it's expensive, there are two things that are possible. It's either those who are holding this coin, they've made money, they want to sell, or right now people want to buy. Let's say I know the price is what? The price is now expensive, so let's just sell, because the price now is now what? Expensive. We cannot take another orders on this coin, because it is now what? Is now expensive. So they'll just withdraw their orders, manipulate the market, which is very possible, and it is predictable, right guys? Because you know that, okay, well, everything that goes up, it must go down eventually. So this is what happened on GALA, right? It started going down, going down like crazy. Okay, so you can see that on GALA, right, GALA is just trending down, right? GALA is just trending down. You can draw a trend line if you want to confirm, but we just use a trend line to what? To confirm, right? So you can draw your trend line that, okay, I want to confirm, is it really a downtrend? Because people, yeah, okay. So this is a downtrend, right? You can see that GALA is just trending down, right? GALA is just trending down, and we've got what? We've got our demand zones, right? We've got our demand zones, right? Got our demand zones, right? Uh, you can draw this one as your what? As your demand zone area. Take this one, this area right here. You can take it as your what? As your demand zone from the daily time frame. But I don't encourage you drawing zones on the daily time frame, because they become very wide. You can see. So I just wanted to show you this picture, right? GALA is in what? It is in demand zones, right? It is in major demand zones, right? It is in major demand zone, that even if it crosses this zone area, but we still have another zone below this zone. So this coins is that what? It is just what? In major demand zones. So what to do in this area, right? What to do in this area? We expect to buy, right? We expect, we are looking for what? For buy entries. But also we know that this coin, it can reject our trend line, right? It can reject our trend line, and what? And come back to these levels, to which are the what? Which is the lowest point of what? Of this coin. That's where we can what? We can take buy. But let's say maybe you are just someone who want to take a what? A buy entry. Don't want to look at the price tag or what? Let's say maybe you want to be an investor, because now the price is what? The price is cheap. That is your advantage, that okay, the price of GALA is now cheap. Let's say maybe you want to buy this coin and you want to hold this coin. Is it really a good time to hold? Right, let's see. Not bad, yeah, not bad, not bad, not bad. Because if you buy this coin and hold it, it can give you up to 200% on spot. What, up to 200% on spot? That is judging from this area to what, to this what, to this supply zone around here, or order block, whatever you can call it, uh, around this area, right? We know that okay, in this area we have what, we have liquidity around this area, we have liquidity around this area. So we will hold, we can buy this coin up to this far, and your profit target is what, it is 200%. Okay, this is not for swing traders, this is for, it is what, this is for investors, because swing traders, they want to analyze a coin very specifically and find sniper entries before they can what, they can just hold this coin long term, right? So let us now go to the lower time frame to see that if you're what, you're a swing trader, which entry, right, you could have found favorable for you to take, because you can see that if you can zoom in a little bit, you can see that today it is not a good day for what, for GALA, and it is rejecting from what, from the trend line, meaning what, we might expect this coin to what, to continue going down, who knows? So yes, we what, we are waiting. Let us go to our lower time frame to see what is going on, right? Before I just talk and stop. Right. So here we are now on what, on the lower time frames, right? Here we are on the lower time frames, or on the 4 hour time frame. So we want to see the direction of this coin. When you can see, when we see this coin is just in what, it is just in consolidation, right? It is just in consolidation, right? You can zoom in a little bit. You can see that this coin is in what, it is in consolidation, and it is respecting this area, right? I won't call it a supply zone, but I'll just call it a what, resistance zone area. So it is respecting this resistance zone area. For now, this coin is respecting this resistance zone area. So if you can watch closely, this coin is what, it is respecting this resistance zone area, and we have what, we have liquidity around this level, right? We know that around these levels we have what, we have liquidity. So uh, all around this area, right? Let me just draw a straight line. So around this area we have what, we have liquidity. We know that we have liquidity here. There's money here. There are stop losses of people who are shorting this trade, I mean who are long this trade. So we have what, we have liquidity around these areas, right? That means that we are expecting this coin not necessarily to come back to this area, but that is what we are hoping for, that this coin, it can come back to this area to catch all the liquidity, right? To catch all the liquidity. Then after that, that is where we want to take our what, our entries. So this can be a what, the second entry point. This area around here can be a what, it can be your second entry point, that okay, this is my what, this is my second entry point. So I expect this coin to what, to go down up to this far. Then that is before I take my what, my long entry, because this coin is what, this coin isn't what, it is around major demand zones from the daily time frame. So that also gives advantage, that okay, I'm taking a what, I'm taking a short entry, I want to short this trade. Then this area around here, it will be my what, it will be my target profit, my first take profit. Then the liquidity, it will be my second take profit. Then this area is what, is your other take profit. So you can also do it like that as well. Okay, for what, that is for what now, that is for scalpers, day traders and stuff. But as scalpers and day traders, you know that you don't take entries on what, on the 4 hour time frame. We go to the what, to the 1 hour time frame, the 15-minute and the 5-minute. But today we'll just cover the 1 hour time frame, maybe close to the 15-minute time frame. In terms on the 5-minute time frame, I think that your mentor will explain that to you, or maybe you just go an extra mile practicing all that, how to master that at that part. Okay, so right now we're on the on the 1 hour time frame. You can see that okay, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. It's just that if you can look from this perspective, you are too late to take your entry, right? You are too late to take your entry. You could have taken your what, your short entry around here when it rejected these levels. That's why you could have what, you could have taken your entry. So right now you can wait to see if it breaks this area right here. If it breaks what, this uh area, that if it breaks this area, so that's what you're looking for. That okay, if it breaks this area, that means this coin is what, is going down up to this far. Is it good to trade right now? No, I won't recommend you to take any entry around this coin, because you were too late. You were too late. You missed what the order block. You missed that supply zone. So you have to now what you have now to look what for buy entries around this what around these areas. Around these areas. Okay, I can just draw a triangle so that you can see. Okay, around these areas, right? Around these areas, that's where we can be looking forward for short-term buy entries, right? Around these areas, we're looking forward for short-term buy entries. But long term, this coin is just in a downtrend, guys. This coin is just in a downtrend. It must go down up to this level to get liquidity before what before shooting up. So that is what we're expecting. Right. And also, if you don't see a good setup, guys, don't force trades. Right, you want to take this trade, it must play out. No. By this, what do I mean? I mean that even if this coin it rejects from this level, right? Say it rejects from this area and start shooting up and break my zone. Does it mean that I have to take my end? No, we don't just take entries. We want to see a pullback, right? Pullback, then we want to take our entry. So that is what we'll be looking for, right? That is what we'll be looking for. And even I even recommend it, even if you are what you are a swing trader or you want just to be an investor, right? It is wise if you use some these strategies because they work for you and you make a lot of money once you use the strategies. So we'll only take a trade after seeing this breakout, after seeing the breakout structure. That is where we want to take that is where we want to take our trade and what and keep riding our trade, keep riding our trade. So this is what we're looking for currently on this coin, right? We want this coin. It can either, if it breaks this level, right? This is our key level. So we want to see how does it respond to this level. So if it breaks this level, then we can consider shorting this trade, but which I think it is very very risky. You could have shorten your trade around the zone areas. So if you are late, just until you see a proper setup. Let us not force trades. Okay. So okay, let's go to the 15-minute time frame to see what is happening there. Okay, guys. Now I'm on the 15-minute time frame. You can see what is happening. The quantity has been going down, turning down, turning down, turning down, and it is respecting this area, right? It is respecting this area, right? Uh, there's this strategy that we use to take our entries. Let's say maybe you are late to take your entry. You can just draw a what something like a what like a box, right? You can just draw a box like this. Okay, you can just draw a box like this. That okay, if the coin breaks this box in whatever direction, then that breakout will be your what it will be your entry point. Let's say maybe it breaks your what it breaks your resistance, right? It's resistance. That means as soon as it breaks your resistance, what do? You take your what your buy entry. As soon as it breaks your what your support, you take your what you take a short entry. So this is the other way that we use to take our entries, which is for scalpers, right? It is for scalpers, because you see that here it might form a what it might form a double what a double bottom around this area, and still this area still remains as our what is our supply zone, because we had a what we had a strong sell, so it still remains as our what our supply zone. And we know that okay, around supply zones, this is where we want to what we want to take our profit. So that is what we are looking for short term. But long term, we want to buy this coin at the lowest point, maybe around these areas, it is 0.20 around this. That is why you want to take to buy this coin, right? So you want to buy this coin at its cheapest value. That's why you want to buy this coin, right? So guys, let me know what do you think about this analysis. I know it was very very quick. I know it was very very quick. So just let me know how do you feel about this analysis. Anything that you want to add, and also just subscribe if you are interested. Subscribe and stay alert in all those the analysis that we'll be posting daily. We'll be posting daily. So just subscribe and click the like button so that you can you can be alert in all these the YouTube videos that we'll be sending every day. Okay, I think guys have a good day. Thank you.